What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your teacher's email account on Google Classroom. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then type in Google Classroom, or you can just simply type classroom.google.com. So you will see the first official website of management of Google Tools. Just simply click on it and then you will be able to see the home page, or you can see the login page of Google Classroom. From there, log in into your email ID with Google Classrooms, and then you will be welcome to the homepage of Google Classroom. So now, as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Classroom. I currently don't have any classes, so I'll just explain you with the help of some photos. So you can see, after coming to the home page, you will see this type of interface like your recent classes or your recent classes notes that your teachers have uploaded. You will see it like this, and after clicking on, for example, this English one, you will be welcome to this dashboard. Inside your English class, firstly you will be opted for stream, then on your top you have to click on people, and after clicking on people it will display the name and email of your teachers, all the students, and from there you can find the email of your teacher from Google Classroom. So this is how it is done. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.